You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop.
LPS
Just
Dave,
waiting for Butch to
Did you
give
see
me
the
a-
Faber Castell box, by the way? I pulled it in, the truck came in. I wanted to make sure that got safely into its stall.
Yeah, I've been taking up your slack. I know you haven't been feeling well, and you're feeling better today?
Much better, LPS Dave, thank you.
Too much Christmas cheer.
A lot of Christmas cheer, LPS Dave. Gained about 30 kilograms.
30 kilograms.
That's a lot.
Well, did you see this Hydro Dipset custom skate
Wait,
studio?
wasn't that in the Faber Castell
Water-activated Hydro skins?
Hey, we need to thank them, by the way, for
Go
sending
ahead.
us.
Go ahead.
I want to thank Faber Castell for sending us an amazing box full of goodies.
Yes, this is just one of the goodies. We're going to go one by one. That makes 5 fingerboards. There are a lot of kids and adults that still play with fingerboards.
I am finger challenged, LPS Dave, so
I
I
could
do
see
not.
that. I could see that. You have paws.
And claws.
All right, here's the next one. This one is the Big Gem Diamond Painting Set.
Cool. 6 plus, LPS Dave.
That's the ages?
6 plus.
Create 12 stickers and 2 big sun catchers with this set. I wonder if anybody got this as a gift. Look at that.
If so, they had a happy Christmas.
I think so. Now, we've had this sitting around the shop for a while. We're finally getting to it. Sorry, Faber Castell, but that's the way things work out sometimes.
Woo, boy.
Next set. These are all different things you can do while hanging out with the fam. Quick knit loom.
Unicorn. A unicorn, are you kidding me? Easy weave, stuff, and fluff, accessorize.
Easy weave, stuff, and fluff,
In that
accessorize.
order.
Easy weave, stuff, and fluff, accessorize. Easy weave, stuff, and fluff, accessorize. Everything you need is included in the box. Easy weave, stuff, and fluff, I forgot.
Hey, wait, LPS Dave.
Yeah.
For all those 97-year-olds out there,
Yeah?
this is for you.
Ages. Oh, so the 98-year-olds can't do it.
No 98-year-olds.
There's everything that comes in this particular set.
Look at that smiling face. What a cutie.
Yeah. Pretty cute, huh? All right. What was the age? Oh, 7 to 97. The next one. Quick knit loom.
Quick
Knit
loom.
loom.
That's hard to say fast.
You can make hats. How many hats can you make?
A dose.
You can make 2 hats.
Yes.
One to wear, one to give.
Nice.
One size fits all.
Double nice.
Okay, so this all is about anti-bullying. You don't want bullying, right?
Nope.
Do not bully anybody.
Nope. Give out hats.
Give out hats. Yes, all right. The next set is like a quattro set.
Oh.
Look at that. I will slide them in slowly.
Oh.
We have Friends Forever, which is us. Makes 6.
Forever.
Do-it-yourself glowing squishy slime,
Which is me.
which is you. We have the Easy Sparkle Window Kit, which is just fun to do. Brighten up your windows. And we have the glow-in-the-dark Shrink Fun.
Aha.
Which one do you think you would want to do?
Wow, LPS Dave. I'm a big fan of the shrinking glow-in-the-dark shrink fun.
Yeah, that one looks fun too. We have one more. We'll decide. Maybe we'll do the shrink or this next one. We'll see. Let me move these out of the way. It's always good to see what's out there, right?
Pretty amazing, LPS Dave, how many different products are coming out.
This one is called Pom Pom Pictures.
Oh, I'm doing that for sure.
What?
We're doing that for sure, LPS Dave.
You want to do Pom Pom
Yes.
Pictures? Why?
Look at how beautiful gray colors there are, LPS
Oh,
Dave.
yeah. I guess it is very eye-catching. Ages 3 plus, perfect for you.
No glue, no mess.
That's even
That's
more
why
perfect.
I picked it.
Thick foam holds pom-poms in place, no glue needed. That sounds simple enough. Well, let's give it a shot.
Hey, creativity counts, you know.
We always do one kit, and we ended up doing this one. The Shrinky Dinks was looking kind of cool.
This is for ages 3 plus, though, LPS Dave.
Dark
This fits
Shrinky
right in
Dinks.
my
Okay.
age range.
All right, that's what we're going to do, everybody. We'll be right back. All right, this is the one Butch picked. I wouldn't have picked this one, but that's the one he wanted.
Pom Pictures.
Something about Pom Pom
glue required.
No glue, maybe that's it. You know, I'm still missing my cutting tool. It's kind of like this, but it's not. I'm going to find it. I'm going to find it.
Disappeared a long time ago, LPS Dave.
I think it's in a box.
I agree. Well, let me just say this.
Yes.
Good luck finding that, LPS Dave.
Well, here's what I do. You know I give away and donate a lot of stuff.
Yes.
Okay. Before I donate it, I look through it and make sure that my little tool is not in there.
Uh-huh. Good call.
We must have been working on something that got put in a box. That's ooh, it's soft.
With my flawless inventory system, I'm
flawless.
shocked that it's
flawless.
happened
I'm not
like
sure
that.
that's the word. But they are very colorful. That's pretty neat, isn't it?
Totally.
Now you have all these little poopy balls
Now you're getting the reason
and
why I wanted
eyeballs.
to do
Let's
this
see.
one.
A note to parents. Here we go.
Ah,
This craft is a great way for young children to practice their fine motor skills, color and size recognition. Depending on the age and ability of your child, they may need a little help along the way.
true
Oh,
statement.
so the string is to tie on. It looks like the eyes stick to the felt. I'm curious to see. Let me get the little poof balls out.
Poof balls.
Yeah, look at those. Ooh, poopy, poopy,
No,
poopy.
you know I wanted this one, LPS
Yeah,
Dave.
look at that.
Throw it this way, throw it this way, throw it this way, throw it this way.
I
Come
don't
on,
think
come on.
so. We don't want your splitter splatter on our little platter, okay? So I could put a little green one here. Let me see. Do you just push it in? Yeah, look at that.
How about that?
It's a fluffy little fluffy thing. I love that.
A fluffy little fluffy
No,
thing.
there's just something there's just something about, filling up the little holes. I don't know why. It's sort of addicting. You just want to get them all done. You don't want to even talk to anybody.
He's obsessed right now. You should see his face, everybody. He's focused.
I
He
am-
is dialed in. He
Okay.
is in the zone right now.
Now, that's if you want to match the colors. Now we're just going to go off kilter here.
What?
Yep.
Don't do it, LPS Dave.
No, not everything in life is always that. You got to just do things.
Oh, man.
them.
You're crazy. You're a radical.
I am a radical.
A rebel.
I don't know about that. Let's get
Always
the
pushing the edge. Envelope, LPS Dave.
edge of the envelope. Yes. Okay, so they are sticky.
Look at that.
He's got a
It's like
nice
it brings
eye.
those eyeballs to life, LPS Dave. Three-dimensional.
Three-dimensional eyeball. Yes. There we go. There we are.
Googly, 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 googly.
Now, it looks like there are 3 sizes. It's hard to tell. They look a little different to these. Maybe not.
It looks like there's 3 sizes of hole, LPS Dave. I have to say.
I know. Some are a little smaller than others. I love this craft. I'll do it all day.
You can just and then just pop it out and start over again, LPS Dave. Endless.
We're going to see that step next. How to extricate your palm. So
Oh,
there
I
is
didn't
only
realize that was a step.
There's only 2 sizes: big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. Gently push pom poms into the holes. Pro tip: the foam will hold the pom poms in place. If any fall out, just push them back in. That is a pro tip.
Simple. That's pro right there. That's advanced stuff.
It says, try changing the pumpkin colors as desired. Once you like your picture, it's time to hang and display. Repeat steps to the remaining 2 pictures. For extra playtime, creatively turn the picture over. What? What? Whew. Oh, that's cool. It's like a universe.
Get out.
Yes, we will put this here. Everything revolves around my little universe.
Yes.
Whoa, hey, get back
That
in.
sounds a lot like the shop here, LPS Dave.
Yes. Okay, so once it's like
What happens when you turn it over?
jammed in, yeah. Oh, okay, I see.
Oh, yeah.
Can you pop them out? Poop. Let's see. Poop, poop, poop. Lots of pooping.
Wow. Oh, boy.
I'm gonna get this picture done.
All right.
This
in your own
is
way.
like art on the fly. I mean, you're quick.
Yes. And it is a bird, so good call.
Yeah, look at that. Come on,
I
that's
like it.
cool. I dig it.
I like it.
I really dig this set. I guess it's better than the little shrinky set. Oh, I want to do it because I love doing that. But
You'll have to do that on your own, LPS Dave. This was the one for today.
Yeah.
This is like speed foam balling right here, everybody.
Yeah. No one said you have to go slow.
It's a nice thing. You can keep doing it. LPS Dave.
Look, I'm gonna get 2 pictures
Most
done.
creative toys like this, you do it once,
You're done.
done. No more supplies.
This one here.
It's endless.
Zendless, yeah.
Zendless.
Little ears. Ooh, there you go. There you go, my little friend. Okay, now you would tie the string on here. There's little holes for that. Look at that.
Pretty nice, LPS Dave, I gotta say.
Let's just see. I want to see if I could do them all and have extra.
Ah.
Yeah, there's going to be extra of this. I could just tell already.
Uh-huh. They think of everything, LPS Dave.
Well, 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 well. When you're feeling well, and you smell a smell.
Run.
Yes. I'm just going as fast as I can. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there, buddy. You can do it. You can do it.
It's amazing, LPS Dave. I wish we would have timed this. I think we would have had the Guinness people on the phone. This is the world record.
Yeah, that's one thing we don't have is a world record. I think we ought to come up with
Let's set a
one.
world record.
Yeah, what
Could it be?
I don't know.
Gotta be food related.
Okay, now I'm going to flip this one over just to see what the
I
back
wonder what
looks
the
like.
most bacon ever eaten was.
I don't know. Let's see. Okay, they're all in. Looky.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see the
And what
back.
happens when you slam it on the ground, LPS Dave?
I'm not going to slam it on the ground. So this is what's extra. Let's look at all three pictures. This one hangs like this. Hanging around. Hanging around.
Turtle.
There you go. Oh, I got to finish the eyeballs. It's not complete till I finish the eyeballs. Oh, there's some more. There.
Aha.
So there's extra. Yes, there is. There is extra. Yes, there is. There you go. You got it.
It makes a big difference. You wouldn't think it does, LPS Dave, but the eyeballs make a big difference.
Yeah, they kind of give it a little extra little, like
The googliness.
Here's one. Okay. Thank you, Faber Castell. I'm hoping
Yes.
they're going to post this on their website and say, look what Lucky Penny Shop did. They made this beautiful picture out of puffballs. Yeah.
They may say, look what Lucky Penny Shop did.
Yeah.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try it at home. Well, there you go, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. We had fun making the Pom Pom Pictures, Pom Pom Pictures, Pom Pom Pictures, Pom Pom Pictures. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the video. And thanks for watching. Later.
Bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.